Hi sir, this is Gokul and my registration number is 22MCA0320 and I'm choosing Open Project as my software project management tool and I'm going to explain this. Now let's open the Open Project website. Let me sign in my own account. Now it will ask for organization name. I'm created under VIT. vit.openproject.com is my login ID. So this is the homepage of all projects. Now I'm created a project under my name like Gokul, and there's also a demo. I'm created under demo project. So this is the homepage of my project under named Gokul. It contains the description, status, and all the project details. Yeah, this is the work packages where we can create tasks, milestones, and phases of the project. Here you can create them in using this button, and it should also include projects. So we can import file from any and mention whether it is a demo or scrum project. Filter, we can use this filter to display the names and faces or tasks in ascending or descending order. Now we can create one task. So it will ask for a name. You can give any name as you want, and you can give a description to that. Now I'm creating a name task like planning, and description is planning for the sorry planning for selecting the language. Yeah, it will ask for assignee and the accountable to whom you want to assign the task. You have to mention them. Some this contains of user group and a placeholder. You can assign any designations to them. I'm clicking next. When you create a role, you have to invite them so that they can be a member of the project. I'm creating a name P under a member in my project, and yeah, he was invited. Yeah, the accountable means that they can manage the member. It can and other details like estimated date and time details we can give straightly here, or we can predict them in Gantt chart also. Let me explain it later. We can give priority like high priority, medium priority, or normal priority, which can be used to filter the tasks and milestones. Yeah, we can create one task like planning. Now we can create a milestone and other phases. Yeah, milestone. Same for the task. You have to enter the name, description, start date, end date, cost and estimation times also. I'm creating a milestone for coding, generate code for the project modules as description. That's like assigning the people accountable and the estimate time. Note to that estimated time should be greater than 0, and it could not be less than 0. It should be a positive value. Yeah, successful creation. Now we are creating a phase like implementation. We can create implementation phase. We're creating a description for the implementing phase, like codes were implemented and tested. Yeah, milestone and phase also created. Now we can see the other options available in the open project. The latest activity shows the uh, ID in ascending order recently created, which displays the recent activity that are created, and this is Gantt chart. So Gantt chart is used to display the dates of the process. Yeah, you can see the process deadlines. I'm fixed to each of the task phase and milestone. Yeah, we can also able to adjust the date, like scrolling down the rectangles to our desired date. Yes, you can see successful update. We can do this for any activities that we have created. Yeah, or else we can straightly create a task, a milestone, or a phases directly by here. By clicking task, it will show other options and subject, status, and start date. We can create here directly. No need to go for create and the step-by-step process. Yeah, this is summary. The table shows the task, milestone, and phases that are created, the count of them, and it also shows the priority of the task, milestone, or phases that we are assigned. Yeah, it also shows assignees and the author versions, etc. Yeah, assigned to me. This is one of the important feature. This will display the number of tasks or milestone that you are allotted for. You no need to search for what are the jobs you are allocated. Just by clicking it, it will show the what are the process you have to do, and other options like details view, and we can also download the form in as a PDF. We can sort using the ascending, descending, and column wise. And this is settings. Yeah, these are what are the columns you want to show in the home page. You can adjust it. After updating all the details your wish, you can click just apply and it will be updated. Yeah, so these are the boards which are used to display the some content about the uh, process or phases. Backlogs, it will display what are the backlogs in your project. And this is time and cost. Here what are the project title, date, and what are the amount we spent on the project were entered and stored in the database. There are two types of costs, private and public. Private means the allocated money for a particular project, and public cost report means the amount of money you spend on the project by yourself. Yeah, meetings. So if you have a project, you should also have a meetings at a particular time. You can create a meeting by giving title, which is important, and location. You have to enter the location where you are going to set the meeting, and the date, time, and the duration of the meeting. So I'm creating a meeting about selecting, and the slot is SCTG24, and I'm clicking the create button. Yeah, the meeting is created, as you can see. You can also invite them via their email, yeah, the members. It will show all of the members in the project. By clicking the user, it will show what are the projects, your designation, and the date you have created, the date where you were assigned for. It will show for all the members. Yeah, we can also edit them. Like if you're clicking the pencil icon, it will, you can remove or add other designation also. You can simply delete the user. Yeah, now coming to the overview, it contains description, status, project details, and members. In description, the overall description about your project is to be uh, entered, where in the task and the milestones and phases you have to enter what particularly you're going to do, that you must enter. Here you can see the graph, work packages overview. We can change this by selecting ID priority base. By clicking this arrow, it will show task, milestone, and the priority options. You can choose priority and it will change the graph to high, normal, or low.